Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making masala curd raita. For this we need one very finely chopped onion, chopped tomato, 3 cloves of chopped garlic, coriander leaf, very finely chopped ginger, curd, cumin seed, red chili powder, green chili chopped, curry leaves, coriander seed powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, salt to taste and mustard seed. So take frying pan, add 1 teaspoon of refined oil, add half a teaspoon of mustard seed. Let them crackle. Now add half a teaspoon of cumin seed. Now add 3 to 4 curry leaf, 1 finely chopped green chili, 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic, 1 medium size chopped onion. Cook onion till transparent. Now add 1 medium sized chopped tomato and toss it up. Cook till tomato is soft. Now add salt to taste, quarter teaspoon turmeric, half a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and add 100 grams of curd. Mix it well. Remember, you need not to cook the curd. Now transfer it to a bowl and garnish it with chopped onion, tomato and coriander leaf. So your masala curd raita is ready. Thank you.